popcorn maker.
It's called a microwave.
Nah, it's not.
Gross. Awesome! Sort of tasted like popcorn pickles.
The popcorn was just ruined. The pickle was good.
I don't want to see people get hurt like that. My face is supposed to die.
It would have been disgusting. I wouldn't eat it. Who would eat them? Whose idea was the pickles and popcorn? Like, if we go back to the ancient Mayans, trust me, I'm dropping it. Philosophically speaking, I hope you enjoyed this production.